Hello, everybody. My name is okay. Hello, my name is Valentina. I am the founder of NourishAId, which is a solution to tackle food waste in the retail sector and increasing the donation to charities. Next. So we all know the elephant in the room. So there's a lot of food waste in Germany. Tons and tons and tons of food, edible food, wasted every year. So the German government has decided to push really hard and try to halve the food waste by 2030. In addition, of course, the reduction of food waste is one of the UN sustainable goals in 2023. Next. So until not too long ago, it was for the retails, it was much more convenient to reduce, to throw away food rather than donate it. Now, thanks also to the action of the government, more and more companies have decided to donate to charity. Actually, the truth is that donating food is very time-consuming. So, next. So, for the donation to be effective, the food needs to be prepared and donated within about 24 hours. So, it happens that employees select the food about 1 or 2 days before their expiration. Then they take it in the back of the shop. They prepare the inventory by hand. Then the charity picks up the donation. They bring it again to the food bank. There's another step of inventory which is done by hand, and finally the food is received. So 2 layers of donation, 2 layers of inventories. Next. So our solution is a device that implements computer vision and object recognition and help building the inventories of the donating food really, really fast. It consists of a camera and, of course, computer vision software. Next. So this is how it works in practice. One places the camera in front of the food, the objects. In this case, the food is detected, each item is detected. It is compared to the images that are in the database, and then there's a prediction, of course. Of course, the employees at the end only have to validate the final output. Next. So from the point of view of the stores, the current system is the one that you see here, writing by hand the food taken off the shelves. And there's a hidden cost in the donation, about 4 to 8 hours per week to write down the inventory. With our system, with NourishAId, we expect to cut this in the cost at least by 60% or even more. Because thanks to this AI, to this computer vision and object recognition, we can actually build the inventory almost instantaneously. Next. So who I am Valentina Di Sarlo. I am a data scientist and a mathematician. I am a researcher affiliated to the University of Heidelberg. This concept actually started thanks to the United Nations Innovation Hack Day. What I am searching for, I'm searching for a co-founder which is passionate about this problem, which is experienced in business, fluent in German, and a very inclusive mindset. I'm also looking for merchants who might actually be interested in co-develop together the project. On the other side, I can offer the resources and technical expertise of the Department of Mathematics in Heidelberg, as well as the group of research in computer vision, the possibility of applying together to an XIS grant, and also the enthusiasm of the TAFL in Heidelberg to test also the project on their food. Thank you.
Thank you, Valentina. Thank you very much. So now it's time for questions, Sanity.
Thank you very much. So there are also other food wasting apps like Too Good To Go. Did you already think about or how to collaborate with them to sell your technique? Did you already talk to them?
Yes, I know Too Food To Go, but that's a bit a different thing. In their case, they work more with restaurants. In this case, what I wanted to... can we go back the slide? Here. The fact is that because of the German plan of the national strategy to reduce the food waste, retailers already have this commitment to donate to charity. They're already doing it. So this part of the segment is already there. And this is where the companies are wasting time. So it is also, I mean, in theory possible, but I think at a later stage. With the object recognition, it's a lot easier to recognize a bottle of water or a yogurt or something that is, packed, rather than something that is freshly cooked.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your presentation. I have two questions. So one is, do you think you are able to protect your idea because this kind of image recognition software classification is available for free? You can just use it. And so the first part of the question is, are you able to protect it? And the second part is, how do you train?
Yes, about the training, actually, we expect to have that the retailers have already the databases with the food. If it's a big chain or even a medium chain, they already have the first part of their inventory, which is done in a way that it's automatized. So with that, for instance, if one goes on every web page of retailers like Reve, like Edeka, Aldi, anything, you will see that there's since the pandemic, so they all have a shop online section where there are the images of the items that they sell. So this means that there exists already a database and it's already decently organized, in a sense. So from the point of view, instead, of your question about the protection, this is something that definitely should be discussed with the computer vision group or definitely, I was dreaming of co-developing something with a merchant or with a customer, so that we can sort of find some patterns, something to protect in that sense. The more customized the idea, the more likely is that one can save it.
How do you judge the status of the food, whether the food is still ready for usage or whether you cannot use it anymore?
This is not something that we do, actually. This is something that the employees do already, twice per week. And basically what happens is that they have an employer, a local employer, running all the shops, looking in particular to fresh things. And then they see, they know by eyes. So they decide what they want to give away.
And how do you make money from this?
We expect next, 2 slides. Next. Here, cutting on the hidden cost. So inventorying the food and preparing the food to donate, as I said, this is a step of inventory which is different from the usual inventory that the shop already does. Like they have to literally, they go there literally and write down, okay, 10 yogurt. There's an employer here, another employer there, 10 yogurt written. Then 3 packages of pasta, whatever, and they write. And it takes time. And those 4 to 8 hours per week in a store which is small, medium small, not the biggest possible. Then imagine that each of these hours taking at the minimum wage, multiplies for the numbers of the weeks in a year, and you get something like 40,000 euro per store. Now, a big chain like Aldi has 2,000 stores in all of Germany. It starts becoming money. So we hope to, times over.
Yeah.
We hope to reduce that cost. I mean, it's convenient for them because they have, as I said, they are saving time. Time for them means hours of employee. 40,000 euro is about 1.5 employees per store.
Okay, but that's the perfect point to make a break, and you can talk more about that in the break. Feel free to go to our startups, which pitched already, and talk to them and ask your questions. See you later.